Hello, so this video is going to show people how to make UGC react with AI, right? It saves you a ton of money and it's just really easy and fast to do. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to turn that down, right? This is an example of one of my ads. You know, hot girl. I put my brother on this app, and then she's like rating her brother, who obviously gets like a horrible score, right? Because that tends to like work best in ads, is where you have like a negative association or reveal of something. So again, I'm just gonna play it again, right? So she's reacting and she's 100% AI, and then I'm just showing a video of me on my phone, right? Which is so easy to do. I'm just recording myself. So I'm gonna use SwapTok, which is my own tool. Again, you're welcome to use any tool you want, right? But what I'm gonna do is generate an AI avatar. I'm gonna make an iPhone selfie as well. So 24-year-old, beautiful American woman in the car. Yeah, and just hit generate. And then that should take like a second or two. And we should have her generated. You can see I've got fucking Epstein over here. So, okay, yeah, that's a good avatar. That looks good. And very simply, all we're going to do, and I'm going to record this on my phone, is just, I'll make sure I'm actually recording on desktop. Yeah, fantastic. I'm just going to record myself, right? Going like this, like. So hopefully that doesn't come out like too male in expression. It probably won't. I think I tried to act pretty female there. Anyway, now we're just going to drag this in and hit generate, right? So this will take like maybe 3 or 4 minutes, but we could make like multiple variations here. So we could go 24-year-old white American guy in the car as well. I think the car works quite well. So if we just do that as well, I'm going to show you like how rapidly you can make these ads. So great, that's a very good looking dude. Let's hit generate, and that will be our second video. So I'll just skip to when that's loaded. We're done, and as you can see, it's fantastic. It's so realistic, and obviously you can just generate any type of person you want. And obviously, like ABGs tend to perform best, but we're going to do a male version anyway. So I'm just going to download these videos. Okay, we're going to call this male, and then we're going to call this female. Awesome. Now I'm going to pause that, and then go into here, select our UGC reacts, and obviously for the sake of the video I'm just doing 2, but you could so easily just do like 10, 15. I mean, it's unlimited, right? Okay, now if I record my screen, perfect. I'm going to show just how easily you can put together an ad now. So obviously you need a video where you've like recorded your phone like I've got there. We're going to go like this. We're just going to stitch them together. And this is TikTok Studio, by the way. Like it's free. It's freaking amazing. You can get viral sounds. So let me turn off the sound that came with the video. But then all we're going to do is like I put my brother on this app. And make it look nice. Make the text like kind of look a bit. Yeah. There we go. Slap that maybe in the middle actually. And then make sure that this hook lasts about 3 seconds. And then put it there. And then boom, you got the video coming in, right? So that looks really good. And now we can just add a viral sound. And this is the best part of TikTok Studio. So yeah, great. We're going to go with that sound. And you can obviously clip that to the right moment if you want, but it doesn't really matter when you're being so fast with variations. So, okay, that's one video, and now look how easy it is to make the second video, right? We just swap this guy instead of the girl. Boom. I put my brother on this app, right? And you could even try and like comment bait by... I put my brother on... Shit, no, I didn't want that. By putting sister, right? And then it comes up with a dude, right? So... like, that's actually good. You're going to get people commenting going, that doesn't look like a sister, right? And then boom, you're done. So all you would do is upload those to TikTok and you're ready to go. It's like, it's so freaking easy. And as you can imagine, like, you can just generate tens of avatars with the same source video in there, and it costs you a fraction of the price. It takes no time at all. And I mean, that's how I get like $15 CPAs. So I'll link both SwapTok and TikTok Studio app down in the pinned tweet or pinned comment or whatever it is. And yeah, give it a try, because trust me, like UGC React is fucking overpowered when it comes to ads.